It's good. Man. I feel it.
Man,
We're still up hard to lift for them.
Yeah. We had been working these turkeys all morning. They had been about 450 yards. We just played that patient game. They knew we were here.
Yeah.
And they finally lost their hands. We said it this morning that we thought they might lose their hands.
Yeah.
And then finally, just got real aggressive with them. And then they kind of popped out of sight. And after we did that, all of a sudden here they are. I'm like, oh, there they are. So, and gave them a few more yelps, just little confidence yelps. And then after that, they just, as soon as they saw the decoys, they just came running in and strutting. So, both very mature birds, very pretty birds.
Mm-hmm.
So,
there you go. Congratulations, my friend.
Thank you. My first Kentucky turkey.
You got it, baby.
That's awesome.
That's awesome.
We have Sorix.
we did the red dot on this thing. Man, just when they're 20 yards from the decoy, don't take much.
No.
We're using that Shin 810 tungsten. So
Yeah. Very effective.
Very effective.
Very effective.
Yeah. Cool. What are you saying we gotta look at?
I think we ought to.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Look how pretty that is. His little wingtips are just.
Yeah. Well, you got fluffier, we can dry it out. But like I told you, we always double out. I do on this farm.
Yeah, that was cool.
Always double
that was
out.
Cool. It's day 2 in Kentucky. We kind of struck out this morning, got on a good bird. But now we're just kind of taking inventory. We're running these ridges and just calling down in and just kind of taking inventory of turkeys. We actually got up to this real high point and got 2 birds going off. So I think we might maybe go after this one over here, but we got this bird marked for potentially tonight or tomorrow morning. So should be good. Well, we're kind of in between like 3 different gobblers right now. We're on this ridge top here, and we kind of got them all hammering around us. But we heard this one off to our right and sounded pretty loud, so we're gonna kind of set up facing towards him, and then we're gonna call down to him, see if we can bring him up. So yeah, that's where we're at. Yeah, he's definitely down there. He just went again. We might be able to get him up.
Let's go. That was crazy. Let's go check them out.
What a crazy trip this has been, honestly. Oh my God. I mean, I watched 2 birds get shot the first day. Didn't really know what we were gonna do, and then Chris let us, hunt, and was like, "Hey, you want to tag?" And yeah, might as well hunt while we're down here. But oh man, that's crazy.